Hi everyone, I'm Erin Troy. I live in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, um, close to Widener, right outside of Philadelphia. So we're an urban suburb in Delaware County. Sorry, I have my list over here. I am um, basically a stay-at-home mom, but I do president of home and school. I teach fitness classes, yoga, cycling, bar, hit, you name it. I probably teach it. I have past work experience in drug and alcohol rehab, um, and a couple other social work-esque type areas. But I would say that my assets probably come from being a mom. I am patient. I would say I'm pretty calm, and I'm awesome in a crisis. So I would probably offer those assets moving forward in this class. Um, I think that's about it. Short and sweet, straight to the point. And yeah, so I look forward to working with all of you guys. And as always, I'm not the most tech savvy person in the world, so I thank you in advance for your patience with me. Have a great day, guys.